You know what it is. Guess that cap.
What's good, fam? It's your boy, J Fix Anything. You already know what time it is. Guess that cap. Yes, sir. Hey, so this looks like a pretty good box, huh? Pretty clean box. But, boy, you didn't got it from the supply house. Nah, I just wrapped it up a little bit for y'all. It's an old cap, but let me know in the comments what you think. I'm unwrapping for you guys, bro. Oh yeah, that's nasty work right there. That's nasty. Let's see. Like I said before, man, make sure your leads is good, man. You don't want to be doing anything with the wrong leads. And if you got anything other than a fluke, you a fluke. So we're gonna put it to capacitance. Let's see what we got. Oh, snap. Y'all gonna be like, is it bad or is it good? So that's 4.2 microfarads. And this is on a plus minus 6%. And I already did the calculations, and that's 0.24. So is this bad or is it good? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this in here because you never know if you may need it, if you may not need it. So you know, I appreciate it. See you, my boy.